In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform's dynamic textbox widget. We'll walk through everything from accessing Jotform to customizing your widget settings, ensuring that your form meets all your needs. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and type Jotform into the search bar. Visit the Jotform website, where you'll either log in with your existing account or sign up if you're new to Jotform. Signing up is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to get started, providing key information to set up your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the form where you want to add the dynamic textbox widget. You can select an existing form, or you might begin by creating a new one if you're starting from scratch. With your form open in the Form Builder, notice the Add Form Elements button, which is usually positioned on the left side of the interface. Clicking this button reveals a variety of form-building tools, and this is where things start to get interesting. You'll see the Form Elements panel appear. From here, shift your focus to the Widgets tab. It's essential for accessing advanced functionalities like our dynamic text box. Inside the Widgets tab, there are two ways to find the dynamic text box. You might use the search bar to type in dynamic text box if you prefer a direct approach. Alternatively, you could scroll through the available widgets until you spot it. Either method gets you to the same result, and it's really about what feels more comfortable to you. When you've located the dynamic text box widget, click on it, or even drag and drop it onto your form. This is a user-friendly feature of Jotform, allowing for customization through a simple drag-and-drop action. Now that the widget is part of your form, a new set of options will present itself in the Widget Settings panel. Here, you're able to tailor the widget to your specific requirements. You can set default fields to ensure your users have a consistent starting point, customize the Add button text to guide users more contextually, and adjust the button's color and size for visual harmony with the rest of your form. Moreover, you can enable the feature to count text boxes, a handy tool for keeping users aware of how many entries they've created. Finally, once you've configured these settings to your liking, don't forget to click Update Widget. This step solidifies your choices, applying all the customizations you've carefully set. Your form is now equipped with the dynamic textbox widget, ready for users to interact with. By following these steps, you've successfully enhanced your form's capabilities with the dynamic textbox widget, offering an adaptable solution for collecting user inputs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave your comments down below if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Jotform. Happy